When it comes to nonstick frying pans, this T-fal ProGrade Nonstick Fry Pan 8-inch stands out as an unparalleled choice for both beginner cooks and seasoned culinary enthusiasts. It is designed to make your cooking experience easier, faster, and more efficient, without compromising on quality or performance. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast, searing your favorite vegetables, or making a delicate fish fillet, this induction-compatible nonstick frying pan will transform your kitchen into a culinary haven. The T-fal ProGrade Nonstick Fry Pan 8-inch delivers on every front: durability, ease of use, and cutting-edge technology. With its titanium-reinforced nonstick interior, Thermo-Spot heat indicator, and stainless steel handle, this pan is crafted for convenience and long-lasting performance. Key features: the titanium-reinforced nonstick surface ensures years of easy cooking and quick cleanup. The durable nonstick coating allows you to cook with minimal oil or butter, promoting healthier meals without compromising on flavor. Whether you're scrambling eggs, frying vegetables, or preparing a delicate omelet, the nonstick coating provides a smooth surface that lets food slide off effortlessly. The Thermo-Spot heat indicator is a unique feature that sets the T-fal ProGrade fry pan apart from other pans on the market. It turns solid red when the pan has reached the perfect temperature for cooking, ensuring that your food seals in flavor while avoiding undercooking or overcooking. This feature is especially useful for beginners and experienced cooks alike, as it removes the guesswork and allows for perfectly cooked meals every time. Designed with an induction-compatible base, the T-fal ProGrade Nonstick Fry Pan 8-inch works on all stovetops, including induction, gas, electric, and ceramic. This broad compatibility makes it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Its stainless steel base ensures even heat distribution, providing consistent and reliable cooking performance. Not only is this fry pan compatible with various cooktops, but it is also oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and can withstand broiling temperatures. Whether you're starting a dish on the stove and finishing it in the oven, or you need to broil something to perfection, this frying pan gives you the flexibility to cook a variety of meals. The ergonomically designed riveted stainless steel handle offers a secure, comfortable grip while cooking. It's made for safety and comfort, ensuring you can maneuver the pan easily, whether you're flipping, stirring, or transferring the pan from stovetop to oven. The handle also stays cool during cooking, preventing burns and discomfort. When you're done cooking, simply place the T-fal ProGrade Nonstick Fry Pan in the dishwasher for an easy and quick cleanup. The nonstick interior ensures that food residue won't stick, making cleaning a breeze. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meals. Benefits of using the T-fal ProGrade Nonstick Fry Pan. Thanks to its induction-compatible stainless steel base and titanium-reinforced nonstick coating, this frying pan heats up quickly and distributes heat evenly across the surface. This ensures consistent cooking with no hot spots, allowing you to achieve the perfect result every time. The nonstick surface allows you to cook with less oil or butter, making your meals healthier without sacrificing flavor. Whether you're cooking up a low-fat meal or simply prefer to use less oil, the T-fal ProGrade Fry Pan lets you enjoy healthier cooking options without the mess. With a titanium-reinforced, non-stick interior, the T-fal ProGrade Fry Pan is built to last. This high-quality frying pan is resistant to wear and tear, so you can use it daily for years to come. It's also dishwasher safe, ensuring easy maintenance and long-term durability. Why choose the T-fal ProGrade Nonstick Fry Pan? Versatile performance. Whether you're cooking on induction, gas, or electric stoves, this fry pan delivers consistent results. Plus, its oven-safe and broiler-safe design provides additional flexibility for a variety of cooking techniques. User-friendly features. The Thermo-Spot heat indicator takes the guesswork out of preheating, ensuring that your food cooks perfectly every time. Additionally, the rivet-free handle ensures a smooth, easy grip, and the dishwasher-safe feature makes cleanup a breeze. Durable construction. With its titanium-reinforced non-stick interior, this frying pan is built to last, offering years of reliable performance in your kitchen. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.